Welcome. Lady in red.
Grapefruit.
How are you?
I am doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And I know that you are on top of the world.
You're familiar with this? Anyone not familiar with this, You're familiar with this?
Of course. Of course.
All right. And as a matter of fact, two of your top managers, well, Denise never used to go to Casey, but she's a full Casey baby. I know that.
Forever.
And Mr. Barrett is a full-fledged Fortis forever. So
yes.
yeah, so I'm going to be nice to those persons who are non-Casey, and I'm going to just remove it for peace sake, because I don't want to hear that with bias. Right? So,
yes.
So Scott, let us welcome you the traditional money matters way. And this is how we do it. We selected something for you.
Mm-hmm. Hey. That's right.
All right. Let's go. So Jonathan said, in believe, and we have to believe.
I like that.
Thank you very much. Thanks for
Thank you.
So we believe that when you have licensed persons in the financial sector and you come to speak, persons need to believe what you are saying, because you're speaking from not only a technical standpoint, but from a standpoint of knowing what we're speaking about. Yeah. Yes, Roshni, thank you, man. We must believe. Thank you.
Mindset.
Mindset. All right. So you're just going to just introduce yourself, and then we're going to launch right into the VM picks, whether there are any similarities between VM picks and Money Matters picks, and the reason why VM have those. Some of them. We can only look at about probably 4 or 5. I know we can't go through all that VM has selected. All right?
Okay.
So just give us a little rundown of yourself.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Good night. Hope you're all doing fine. Hope you're doing well and you are in the right mindset, because you are here on Know Your Money Matters. And that's definitely a key thing. Yes. So my name is Akanke Scott, and I work with Victoria Mutual Wealth Management. I've been working with VM Wealth Management since 2016.
Whoa.
And I started out in capital markets, and now I'm in the trading department. So that's what I do at VM.
All right. We don't need no more on that. So 2022, we're looking at where VM is seeing some equities. And we also want to know how the JTRADERPRO work, if we have enough time, and what is it that persons need to open their VM trading account. So that's 3 simple things that we are looking at. So let us start. What in the VM bag? What stocks are in the VM bag?
All right. So we have lumber. You want me to just list them all out and then we talk about them?
Yeah, all right. Lumber. Yeah.
So we have lumber. We have Fesco. We have Fontana. We have FosRich. And we also have JBG.
Have?
JBG.
Okay. Producers Group. Yeah, man.
JB.
Jamaica Boilers Group. Sorry. Yeah, Boilers Group. Yeah.
JP is one of them still, but JBG is the one I'll be talking about. Yeah.
Okay. You gave me 5. You want to give me the rest?
All right. So we have also GK.
GK, yeah.
Honey bun. And we have lab.
or lab. Okay. One, two,
Mm-hmm.
three, four, five,
Like
six, seven,
somebody
8.
said,
You have 2 more.
right? This is lumber.
Jamaics, me not into your lumber, Just hold on the
Is
Jamaics, man.
lumber.
What with your lumber? Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So those are the ones. And we have also Wysinco
Wysinco.
and yeah.
I need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
One more. I didn't give you all 10.
No, lumber,
Didn't
Fesco,
give you all
Fontana.
10.
Oh,
And
no.
lab, you have JP. Yeah.
Oh, and JP.
Yeah.
Okay. And JP. All right. This is Deandra, greatness. All right, welcome. So, you know what is funny? The first one that came out, lumber, Jamaica's knowing stocks. And Jamaica said thumbs up. So it look like Jamaica have that.
Like
Money
that
matters,
one, yeah.
money matters don't have lumber. Why should I buy lumber?
Why? Why not? All right. So lumber is they came to the market in 2019 at 191, right? And this company is in construction, everything construction, repairs, renovations, sale of hardware and lumber. And they've been doing well even throughout the pandemic. So guess what? In this industry that they are in, construction industry, they are thriving. And once construction is doing well, they are bound as well to do well. Also, their PE, which is the, how much essentially the price to earnings ratio, it's a commonly used ratio that persons use. It's not necessarily, exclusive, but it's essentially how much persons will pay for $1, one earning of the stock. And it's so you want that number to be low, as low as possible. And it is compared to the rest of the market, it's relatively cheap, right? So you're getting lumber at a nominally cheap rate, and it's construction, and it's been proven resilient. And we are seeing where there are some institutional investors that are buying, which signals some confidence.
All right. I am
So
sold.
that's definitely one.
I'm sold on lumber. I might have to find some money on my lumber. I am sold on lumber. Jamaica said,
Listen, I am sold on it. Listen, I am sold on it because I got lumber and I am still up on it.
All right. So
Jamaica said full of cash.
All right, right. Jamaica said full of cash. So all right, I'm going to find some money. So I'm going to go with one of your first recommendation, which is lumber. You're a licensed, you're a licensed dealer with VM Wealth. So therefore, it's not me say so, it's you say so. And your analysis is spot on, and it's a lumber. So Jamaica, check me a man with me about some lumber. All right. Well, let me move right along because now I am in love with FosRich, and you have FosRich. So FosRich traded at $20 and cents today.
22.
No.
22. Yeah.
Yeah,
close at 22.93 today.
Whoa, I'm a wealthy man. I am a wealthy. I shouldn't say money matter. Guys, welcome. You're joining Money Matters for the very first time. Just let me say what Money Matters is all about. We are a financial awareness program and entrepreneur advocacy. All we try to do is to inspire you, to entertain you, to keep you informed, and pretty much educate you on the market. No, on this show, our co-host is none other than senior trader with VM Wealth, know our stuff because she just convinced me to buy lumber. I never have lumber on my radar, but she just convinced me money matters. And as a matter of fact, before I go any further, how can you get an account with VM? Even before we go any further, just want to know.
Okay, so you just reach out to one of our advisors. All you need to start is $10,000. And that is what you're going to use for. You're going to use that to purchase your stocks. So that's going towards the purchase of your stocks.
Good. So 10,000 in lumber would have a decent amount of lumber tomorrow morning. Okay, so guys, you see, $10,000.
And you can use JTRADER as well.
You can go trade. See, to say you can buy lumber. FosRich is a good stock. Then Jamaica, you know me in love with FosRich. You know here, FosRich are closed at 22 today. No man. No man. So but why should someone really look at FosRich? They know I'm in love with FosRich, but why? From the analysis point now, from your word, why?
All right. So FosRich, they came to the market in 2017 at $2.
Yeah.
And look at where it closed today, $22.19. We have directors purchasing. Again, another sign of confidence. The
right.
company
hold on. That's a takeaway. Directors purchasing is a good sign. All right, takeaway one. Thank you. All right. Boy, the amount of gains from $2 to $22 over 4 years. I can't do the maths on that. Nobody needs to think about the maths on that. That's our deal. Whoa.
Definitely. So
I have some friends at FosRich.
That's some.
Just let me say.
What you say?
A quick hello to my friends at FosRich. Sir Fos, thank you for bringing FosRich to the market. Kerian, thank you for helping Mr. Foster to bring FosRich to the market. That's all I will say. And the broker that actually brought FosRich, well, put it this way. We are happy to have FosRich on the market from $2 4 years ago to now $22 traded, even through the pandemic. It's a sign that this is one solid stock. And it was not said by me, it is said by the licensed broker. Thank you very much. FosRich. Directors purchasing.
So this company is for those who don't know, is one. Well, they know that you love it, so you must have been talking a lot about it, right, Mr. Money Matters? But guess what? So it's a company that is the sole manufacturer of PVC pipes locally. But guess what? They're getting aggressive in the overseas market. They've been in the overseas market, right? So they're expanding their exports, and so they produce lighting and electrical products, and they have done well in terms of their financials. I love the vision that I'm seeing coming from management level. They have entered into a contract with JPS to do repairs for 4 years of the transformers, and the location is based in Clarendon. Now, I have family from Clarendon, and if I don't hear that a transformer go off in you're saying so?
Yeah, man. I am also from Clarendon.
So guess what?
Yes. I want
Right. And so there's a need for this. They're going to be there in this partnership with JPS. They are contracted to repair the transformers, and JPS, this is just $2,000 per year over 4 years.
Yeah.
And JPS has over 40,000 transformers in their distribution area. So this has the capacity to increase and the contract, and even extend even further. That's potential increase in revenues. So they're looking good to me, definitely.
Very good. Jamaica.
They're looking good.
Jamaica. You have FosRich?
Emerald, right.
All right. So look here now, Scott. I am going to touch on one, that GK. So I also have GK and you have GK. So I have two so far out of your, right? So why GK? What is it so about GK that someone should buy GK at $102?
All right. So GK is a financial conglomerate that is in insurance, in all the financial areas. They're a brokerage house. They're into the manufacturing. They're into food and so many different business lines. And they are really excellent in terms of how they're doing in their financial performance, and also in terms of the market now. So even at $105, it is relatively cheap compared to the rest of the market.
I
So
agree with you.
that is it's a good buy at even at the levels that it's at.
I agree
So
with
the
you.
company is continuing to do well, and it's cheap at its current levels.
I agree with you. And I am telling you, a company that is celebrating 100 years, that alone,
Mhm.
will make me say, Sir Dan Webby, yes.
Reputation, yes, man, yes, exactly,
So,
exactly.
just think about the sprint that they should be making now into this 100 years.
Mhm.
It will be significant.
Exactly. Right, right. So GK is definitely one for me,
All
one
right.
for VM.
And I have it too. You know what is interesting? I don't have honey bun. And I don't know if you know it's because of bun time why you choose honey bun. You had honey bun. No, no. I want to know, you had honey bun before the Easter, or is because now you know they're up to time is Easter, or what's so special about honey bun? Because I've never bought honey bun. Never.
All right. So this company into the baking products, they baked products. School is back open. Children, parents sending their children back out to school. Snacks. Everybody wants a snack. It's retail, consumer retail, and um food. Food. Foods. That's a staple. And I mean, honey bun is also trading at a good PE relative to the rest of the market. I
Hold on. Lady Daya
I don't
is agreeing with you. Hold on. Lady Daya is agreeing with you. I'm not sure if she's agreeing because everybody needs snacks, or is she agreeing because it's at a lower price, or is she agreeing? I, I don't. I see where Jama is saying that they have governance, but as I said, Money Matters has never looked at Honey Bun, right? So
Mhm.
the Money Matters farm kind of listen to what I am saying, and come tomorrow morning.
Mhm.
If I say honey bun price, I go run me. If I say lumber, I go run me. And that them tell me, I don't
Oh.
know who it is. And that them tell me. So, so, so I agree with you here lady, that everybody need a snack.
Honey bun is one of them things opening people back out to school.
Go back out to school. All right. What's we honey bun close? We're honey bun close.
Hot, all right, so honey bun closed today. Let me show you. I have nothing.
Hey, Mitchell, we run through FosRich already, you know. You come late. You're joining late. We now go over FosRich. But guess what? They are still saying at this price, FosRich is still a bargain. That's all I will say. But we now go back over FosRich. You're joining late. The new time for Money Matters is 9. You guys voted on it.
Honey bun,
Yeah.
1 second. All
Yeah.
right, so honey bun closed 981 today. 981.
Whoa. Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Well, well,
Man.
well, I think I will
Oh.
buy the lumber over the honey bun. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Look here. Our portfolio is public. It's known. We don't hide it. So they will know when they see lumber on it and not honey bun. But but but
Okay.
but you sold me so much on lumber that right now me just think
That you're going to go with it.
and
Right.
lumber matters. I know bun matters because
Mhm.
it's Easter, but lumber matters right now.
All right.
Right. I want
Let's
to pick
go.
off time going. I want to pick off one more. which is Fesco. Because you have
Yes.
top of your list. Fesco is more
Love
like,
that one.
yeah, run into Fesco now. Make a run out of it because gas are run.
All right. So Fesco is into petroleum and selling automotive products, but they're not just staying there. They are not another company with the big vision.
Okay,
Right?
big vision.
So they
Wow.
big vision. Yeah, man. So when you look on companies and the management has vision and they're moving towards that, that is something that gives me confidence. And so what we're seeing is a lot of expansion and growth with Fesco. So they came to the market and they came to market in last year, 2021 April, and they've opened 2 locations, one on Beechwood and one along
Ferry.
what's that? Right out. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
But they're not stopping there. They want to, so that brings them to 16 locations, and they've just done a recent raise, $1 billion bond, and they want to expand even more locations. But they want to, what I love, they have this vision to be a one-stop destination.
Okay.
So they have the convenience store. So when you go there, everything is there.
Breakfast.
Convenience store, you have your water refill, diner. Exactly. All right, I see. Projected PE so well. I have the
okay.
And guess what? They do it. They also, so with the recent raise that they have, so they came to market last year, did what they said they were going to do, expanded, and then they did that recent raise, and they're also looking to expand. They've brought new products to the market, and they want to bring more products as well. It's just signaling a whole lot of growth in the pipelines for them, and where you want to go as an investor is where growth is.
All right.
Right. Yeah. That's where you want to go.
Shuzam, you have the workout for the PE for Fesco, the projected PE, because I don't. But do you have it?
All right. So I have the current PE, which is 17 times, still relatively cheap compared to the rest of the market.
Jamaica, that's a cheap PE, man. Fesco is still a bargain.
Exactly.
Fesco is still a bargain, man. It's still a hold on, sorry. Licensed advisor, trader. Can you tell me if it's still a bargain? I can't say. I have to listen to what you have to say.
Fesco is still a bargain. When you hear about this in terms of, because all of these plans and all this, and you're seeing that is not all right. So they put in their money where their mouth, right? So they're doing what they say they're going to do.
All right,
that's a good sign.
Jeremy Bonds and the board, they are doing exactly what they say they want to do, and that's our
exactly
today. So I have no secret.
They're taking market share in places where they have not been. That's a good sign.
All right.
Good luck, Professor.
We need the motivator. Welcome. You have assisted me today. Welcome. Lova. I think I'm seeing you for the first time. Welcome to the Money Matters Monday show. And you can always check the page. We have already said what is the purpose of Money Matters. We are here to inspire, entertain, inform, and educate you while we advocate for entrepreneurship and financial guidance, right? Claudia, welcome. To all persons in the US, I know it is now 10:30. I'm keeping you up. That's part of life, right? So welcome, guys, for the first time if you are coming. All right, and we talk about the victory of Casey. We can't leave out it because Casey matter, championship matter, stock matter, the stock market matters. Yes. So the JTRADERPRO, I got a DM about the JTRADERPRO. Can you say exactly how you get it? How someone sign up for the JTRADERPRO? You have the time, can say?
Sure.
Okay.
So you need to have first an account with one of the dealers, one of the brokerage houses, right? For example, VM.
Alright,
Once
yeah.
you open your account, you just go onto the JTrader website. It's the Jamstock platform, right? And you enter the JCSD account that you would have been assigned. So you sign up with an account and you utilize the JCSD number which you would have been provided with from your broker. And from there, you can, if you have several different accounts, you can link them all under one JTrader platform. So all your accounts can be there and you can trade on the different accounts. There is also opportunity for us to do a tutorial and walk through with you, but you have the freedom to just go in and do your trades. You'll have to do funding and fund out requests, but you have the freedom to trade.
Oh, okay.
Very convenient.
So you get it. You already know the minimum amount. Repeat the minimum amount to start trade and buy even lumber, or well, I stick with lumber. I'm taking lumber out of the pool. I'm adding lumber to my portfolio because I'm convinced. Let me just make a quick rundown of what is in what is in VM lineup. Lumber, Fesco, Fontana, FosRich. I'm in love with FosRich. We know that. Jamaica boilers, GK. I'm also sitting with some GK. Honey bun, bun time, Easter time, lab, Wysinco. So these are the top 10 that VM is telling you. Grab a hold of them. But I'm definitely grabbing out lumber to go with what I have, right? Scott has also told us the minimum amount you need to get your trading account going at VM. Very simple, $10,000. And the due diligence is pretty much the same everywhere. You need proof of address. It's pretty much the same, right?
Right.
And then the JTRADERPRO, because good pick VM. I don't come to you yet. So the JTRADERPRO, I have had several DM for persons wanting to know. Oh, so I'm asking you again, just repeat the steps to get the JTRADERPRO, and you offer the JTRADERPRO. So just repeat the steps once they get an account. But when you have the JTRADERPRO, you still trade for me, or I trade for myself?
You can trade for yourself.
Oh.
So you have an account that it says that you have an account with the broker, but you sign up on JTrader. That's on the Jamstock JTrader website, and you can trade for yourself. All you have to do is when you log in, you link the account, that's the JCSD account number that you'd have been provided with, and you're going to use that to trade. And you can if you have several different JCSD accounts, because you have some persons, they have different JCSD accounts, so you can link them all.
Well,
and you're trading.
Well, right now we are under the Victoria money tree. So when we come under the money tree, we talk about serious money. So it is the Victoria,
money tree.
Victoria money tree wealth management we are looking at this show. Because guess what? You have three things. You guys ask these questions. We brought the expert to you. You get it live and direct. We thank VM for giving us this opportunity to hear person what in their picks, what their picks are, and the reason behind it, which is the most driving thing, the why. Because I can't tell them the why, because I'm not licensed. So I just put up and say what I have. But there is nothing like knowing the why. And they have to believe in the why. You said these are very very relatively low PE, expansion, directors buying more, the long-term vision.
And remember, so remember again, the PE is not the only factor. PE is not the only factor, but it's a common factor that is utilized. So the lower the less I'm paying for $1 of earning per share.
Yes.
It's a good.
Yes, you can wring more value out of it. All right.
Right.
Let me answer a question. One of the persons say when stock price falling, you need to run out of it. Money Matters always say, look back at the fundamentals, and when those shares coming down, you probably need to buy more. Is it a common theme of VM? Or
yes, it is. That's exactly where we're at. So when you said when the stock's price is falling, you need to run out. I'm like, what? No, 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 no.
That's the
My
time you
manager
run.
always says, it's discount time, it's bargain time, it's time to go shopping because you are getting valued stocks at lower prices and don't follow the herd, don't follow the market because they're running out because everybody starts running out when they see things falling, but that's the time
That's
to
the time.
pick up because you're
We have
getting
to
bargain.
believe. We have to believe, and we have to believe that with 30 minutes up, what can I say?
Right, right, exactly. You have to believe.
And I have the
And once you believe in the stock, you don't run out. You just stay put because you're going to see the value come back to you.
boy. I have to ask Fortis, Mr. Barrett, and Fortis, Denise, to bring you back again because I am telling you, we're just beginning, right? But we have to call it quits here. We have to cut it here. Thank you ever.
Thank you for having me, Mr. Money Matters. It was great to be here.
You are so welcome. You are so welcome. I'm telling you. I'm going to get lumber. As a matter of fact, I might live trade on JTRADERPRO showing you that I am buying lumber.
I'll be tuned in.
All right. Thank you ever so much, guys. You know the new time is 9. With the country is open again. Football is on a Monday night, and I'm part of football, so that's just how it goes. I can't hide it.
Oh.
Yes, but King V, welcome. You have to catch the live. We have to go now. Thank you. Money Matters and VM. Under the money tree is money time. Ring them in. Minimum 10 grand. Give you your trading account, and you take it from there. Thank you, guys. I'm telling you.
All right.
Lumber we leave with. Look out for the top 10. All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.